Alright, so this video is about the shifter cable breaking on this Benchy. I don't think it matters what kind of side-by-side you got. But, where's the cable? Here's the cable that broke. Alright, that's snapped over there in the back. And it just has regular ends like this. Okay? And these are made on a factory. So I had a 5-year warranty, and they told me cables ain't covered, and it's just over a year after the factory warranty. And these jerk-offs told me it was going to be $1,000 to fix this fucking cable. The cable itself costs about $70, but you got to pull apart a lot of the machine to change the cable. And I asked them for some shit, which is this. Okay. Cable stops. Oh, nobody has that shit. Well, CarQuest had them. I just googled it. Fucking did a little search. And they give you a bunch of different sizes. Now, I've already put the smaller ones on. And this shit was $3.59. I bought 21 feet of cable, which I have enough cable probably to do this again for $4. I forget what the hell it was, 15 or 19 cents a foot. But the only thing I had to do, I did have to take a drill and drill the holes out in these a little bit bigger for the cable to fit. The cable just a little bit smaller. But all you have to do is pull that stupid cable, the old cable out, and fish the new one in. I did this end first, tightened it, cut the end off or whatever. And I did have to drill the little shaft deal just a hair larger. You know, a couple thousandths bigger just for that to fit. But I got it to fit. And I put it in there, snaked it through, and then snake this cable through, put this piece of shit in there, and now I'm just gonna cut the end off. I got the screw as tight as I can get it, but it shifts. It all works. And these fucking jerk-offs took this thing and unscrewed it at the dealer. I only had it was hanging by one screw, but they took off all the screws and let the nuts behind them drop. So I'm probably gonna have to use some self-tappers or something just to get it in there. I don't have the nuts once I find them and take this shit apart again. But yeah, you can fix it for $10, not $1,000. And that's it. There is an easy way to do everything, and everything is fixable. All right, so that's it. I just had to undo. I had to undo that just to kind of wiggle this bottom piece out where the wire goes through. Get it out just to work on it, and then I just put it back. But that's it. Get you some cable. Get you some cable ends, and fish the shit through, and put it back together without spending thousands of dollars. Spend $10. Fuck. I'm sick of all these people trying to rob everybody. So, good luck.